Python is having a huge demand in recent times. So let's start installing Python. Open any browser and type python.org. This is the official Python website. Now hover your mouse cursor over downloads and you can see the button to download Python 3.11.4. As of now, this is the latest version. After downloading, open the file to install. Here you must check this option. Adding to path means it can be accessed from any command line interface by simply writing the term Python. I will show that after installing it. Then click Customize installation for a proper setup. In this window, you must select all the options because it is required. Then click Next. Here you must check the option to install Python for all users. This will make the installation in C drive and all other users of your computer can also access it. Then click Install. Click Yes button on the User Access Control dialog box. Now it is successfully installed and you can search for it. So it is here. Now coming to the add to path feature, which I earlier said, open any command line interface. I am using the default Windows 11 terminal and just type here Python and click enter. Python is now enabled in your command line and you can use it from here also.